LED flasher module, all you should know. The LED flasher module is an important device for your vehicle. What is a LED flasher module? It is an electronic gadget for use on vehicles that uses LED lights. The flasher helps offset low amperage draw where light-emitting diodes operate. LED flasher circuit. The LED flasher module comes with an integrated circuit regulator for inbuilt lamp outage displays. The types of LED flashes. They include relay and solid-state. LED flasher relay motorcycle. A double metallic strip heats up as the current flows through it, then opens up. After switching off the current, the metallic strip cools and closes again. No-load LED flasher allows you to install LED turn signals with a moderate flash. Emergency light flasher module are also known as hazard lights. They warn other motorists of an emergency condition you are in. How to install LED flasher module. Step 1. Identify and detach the LED flasher unit. Step 2. Get the old circuit out of the LED flasher unit. Step 3. Reconnect the original connector. Step 4. The LED flasher circuit chart. Step 5. Retrofit the new circuit. Step 6. Button it up. Step 7. Fix voltage filter cap for V1-2V voltage ripple issues. A bad flasher relay produces a few signs. 1. Hazards or turn signals do not go off. 2. Extra lights are not working properly. 3. Turn signals or hazards may fail completely. All LED flashes work perfectly with regular bulbs, LED bulbs, and regular bulbs, mix LED bulbs. A resistor is crucial for your LED flasher module. In a situation here you are supplying a higher voltage than the rated one for your relay.